Welcome back, guys. Today I am going to tell you about More Crypto Exchange. What is More Crypto Exchange and what is More Token? How you can purchase this token, how this project will work. We are going to share and discuss each and everything regarding this project. So stay tuned with us and also subscribe our channel Expert Studio and press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, at this time, I will show you the main platform of More Crypto Exchange. Soonly it will be live and you will be able to purchase all the altcoins, all the main coins, BTC, Ethereum, EOS, these type of coins, you will be able to purchase this token from this exchange. At this time, it is in basically the beta version and very soon it will be live for all of us that we can basically buy our tokens. Here you can see More Crypto is the crypto hub of Africa with trading platforms, and here you can also mining service, cryptocurrency, e-commerce and multiple cryptocurrency investment purposes. They are going to share number of things with you by which you will be able to collect number of money from this exchange. Here you can see initial exchange offering coming soon and you will be able to use this exchange. Here you can see all the links of everything where you can basically check regarding this exchange. What is different between, you can say the main difference between this exchange and all the older exchanges, basically they have 24/7 support. Anytime, whenever you have any issue regarding the exchange or if you have any question regarding the exchange, you can ask from them directly. 24/7 support is over there. Currency converter is over there. It means that you will be able to purchase the token from US dollar, from European, the pounds and everything. You can buy the cryptocurrency from these currencies also. And also they are offering the payment methods, and also the major thing is more crypto investments. In that one thing, they are going to tell you how you can basically make an investment and how you can get the benefit from that one investment. They are going to tell you in More Crypto Investment. That is the best and the plus point, that they are going to tell you that what will going to be happen in the market and in which funds you have to take your money for the ROIs. So that is the great thing regarding this platform, More Crypto Exchange. Here you can see all the things regarding what I told you before, that very soon you will be able to buy each and every asset from this exchange. Here comes the whole basically the team here where you can basically go and directly talk to the team at this time on LinkedIn and everywhere. You will be able to talk with them. So here comes the whole links and everything where you can basically go and directly basically ask whatever you want to ask regarding this platform. The basic thing which I basically want to share with you at this time, you have the chance to buy this token from EX Markets Exchange. Yeah, at this time IEO is going to start very soon. Here you can say basically after 13 days IEO will start up and you can purchase this token at 0.005 and you will be also able to get 10% bonus from their X markets. It is the best chance for you. Here you can see the whole supply of this project. Here you can see the more project and everything basically, and also the main thing is the 10 April is the starting time of the IEO and it will end on, you can say, after only 5 days. So you have only 5 days in which you will be able to buy this token, More token. So go for it. You must have to go towards the X Markets Exchange. No need of any type of KYC or anything. You just have to go over there, put your funds and buy this token before it will be so late. So it is your time. You will be able to collect 10% bonus if you are going to buy this token in the initial exchange offering. So go for it. You can read each and everything. You will be able to collect each and every link of this platform, More Crypto Exchange. So basically this token is the fuel token of More Crypto Exchange. It means whenever you are going to trade on More Crypto Exchange, you definitely need more tokens. So it is your time, it is your chance to collect more token at low price. So go for it. Every time I will try my level best to collect somehow awesome projects with you. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot for your coordination, and also if you love this video, you must have to share it, and also you have to hit a simple like for me.